This one doesn't come out till next year.
The sun is dying.
I need you to come with us.
You are my solution.
I put the knot in astronaut. I've never done anything. I've never done a space. I can't even moonwalk.
Object approaching.
Oh my God.
So, I met an alien.
He's kind of growing on me. At least not growing in me.
I'm Grace. I'm gonna call you Rocky.
And if you haven't read the book, that's okay. You sleep.
Grace, Rocky, save stars.
I'll watch.
Now or never.